Hello, my students. Today we will deal with part 2 of your first grammar lesson, the past tenses. We will explain the past continuous tense. As you know from its title, continuous means مستمر. The form of the past continuous is was or were plus the verb plus ing. Such as I say, I was watching a movie yesterday morning. And the negative is wasn't or weren't plus ing. Such as I say, I wasn't watching a movie yesterday morning. And the question form is was or were plus the subject plus the verb plus ing. Such as, were you watching a movie yesterday morning? And the passive form is was or were plus being plus the pp. Such as, the car was being repaired now. The usage of the past continuous tense is very important. You should know that we use the past continuous tense to express an action that was in progress at a particular time in the past. We don't mention when it is started or when it's finished. Such as I say, we were cleaning our room yesterday morning. What were we doing? We were cleaning our room at a particular time, which is yesterday morning. Number 2. When we talk about two actions that were in progress at the same time in the past, such as, while I was reading a story, my brother was playing computer games. Here, the two actions were continuous, so we used the past continuous. Another usage, when we talk about an action that was in progress when another action interrupted it. Interrupted means قطع. Such as, while I was walking in the street, I fell down. Here, what was continuous? I was walking. What happened suddenly? I fell down. Or such as he was crossing the road, he had an accident. What was continuous? He was crossing the road. So we used the past continuous. What happened suddenly? He had an accident, so we used the past simple. Remember that the action which was in progress or which was continuous must be in the past continuous in was or were plus the verb plus ing. But the action which happened suddenly must be in the past simple in the second form of the verb. Here, when I say, while driving, I saw a terrible accident. Here, I don't use was or were plus ing. I used only ing, the gerund form after while. Why? Because here we don't have any subjects after while. Okay? I said while driving. I don't have I or you or he and so on. But when we use during means خلال أو أثناء. After during, we must put the noun. During the film, I fell asleep. During the holiday, during my stay, and so on. We use during in English instead of while. When. When means عندما. After when, we put the full sentence, the subject and the verb and so on. But when I say, when I arrived home, I drank some juice. Here, I used two past simple actions because here we don't have any time between the two actions and the two actions weren't continuous. I can say, on my arrival home, I drank some juice, or on arriving home, I drank some juice. We use on plus noun or ing, the phrase not a full sentence, when we talk about two actions that happened immediately after each other. Notice that stative verbs means verbs that we can't put them in the ing form, like dislike, hate, love, enjoy, be, prefer, seem, understand, remember, forget, on, want, belong, realize, believe, know, taste, smell, think, have, and so on. We can't put these verbs in the past continuous tense. But some of these verbs can be put in the ing form according to their meaning. Like, he didn't answer the phone because he was having a shower. Here, have means taking, so I can put it in the ing form. But when I say, they were having lunch yesterday at 2, here we can put have also in the ing form because have here means eat. When I say, I had 2 cars, here I can't put ing because have means here own or possess, يمتلك. So I can't put ing. Okay? But any other meanings of have can take ing. Some other examples. When I say, the cake tastes nice. Here, tastes means has the flavor, طعمها. But I'm tasting the soup to know if it is salty. Here, taste means testing or يختبر مذاق. Okay? When you have temporary actions, we can put some verbs with the ing, but the permanent meaning can't use the ing form. Notice that I caught the bus yesterday morning, or the light went out. Here I can't use the past continuous because the actions here can't take time to be happened. If the verbs can't take time, we can't use the past continuous with them, so I used the past simple. Thanks for listening to me and good luck.